Hey everyone, welcome to our quick guide on how to pay with Affirm on Vrbo in 2025. If you're planning a vacation and want to spread out the costs without racking up interest, Affirm is a game changer. It's a buy now pay later service that integrates seamlessly with Vrbo, making your travel bookings stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll be all set to book that dream getaway. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have an Affirm account. If you don't, head to the Affirm website or app and sign up. It's straightforward and only takes a few minutes. You'll need to provide some basic info like your name, email, and a quick credit check. Next, log into your Vrbo account on the app or website. If you're new to Vrbo, create an account first. It's free and essential for booking. Once logged in, use the search bar to find your ideal vacation rental. Enter your destination, travel dates, and any filters like number of bedrooms or amenities. After selecting a property, click on it and proceed to the booking page. Here, you'll see the total cost and a list of payment options. Scroll until you spot Affirm. Thanks to updates in 2025, it's available on most listings. Select Affirm as your payment method. Affirm will then open a new window or prompt you to log in. Enter your Affirm credentials and review the payment plan they offer. You can choose to pay in installments, like 3, 6, or 12 months, depending on what's available for your purchase. Make sure to check the terms, as there might be no fees if you pay on time. Once you're happy with the plan, confirm the details. Vrbo will process the booking, and you'll get a confirmation email from both Vrbo and Affirm. That's it. You're officially paid up and ready for your trip. A quick tip. Always double-check your eligibility with Affirm before booking, and if you run into any issues, contact Vrbo support. They're super helpful. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels in 2025.